What exactly is a restful sleep? During the time that you are asleep, your body will progress through the various stages of the sleep cycle. For instance, in order to feel revitalized when you get up in the morning, you need to have reached a stage of sleep known as deep sleep. Deep sleep, as opposed to rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, is characterized by a slower rate of brain and body wave activity. Is peaceful sleep good? Deep sleep is the most crucial stage of sleep for both feeling rested and being healthy, which is why, although stages 1 through 4 and REM sleep are all significant, scientists agree that deep sleep is the most important stage of sleep overall. On average, a healthy adult gets between 1 and 2 hours of deep sleep for every 8 hours that they spend sleeping each night. What does restful sleep feel like? When you wake up in the morning, you feel revitalized, having a positive frame of mind and a good mental state. You will more likely maintain a high level of energy throughout the day. When should I go to bed in order to get some quality rest? In point of fact, medical professionals recommend obtaining anywhere from 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for best health. Obviously, if you live with pain, you are aware of the fact that simply lying in bed for a predetermined amount of time does not guarantee that you will have a restful night's sleep. How can I tell if the sleep I'm getting is restful? Even if you don't believe you're getting enough sleep, the fact that you're able to get up without an alarm, maintain your weight, don't require a caffeine boost, and don't have a craving for junk food are all indications that you are. Is it more beneficial to get 8 hours of sleep all at once or to break it up? If the total amount of time spent sleeping in 24 hours is kept the same, multiple recent studies have indicated that split sleep, as opposed to one long sleep, offers equivalent benefits for performance at around 7 to 8 hours total sleep time per 24 hours. How long does the typical person sleep before feeling rested? The majority of adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every single night. It is recommended that you spend anywhere from 13% to 23% of that time in a deep sleep state. If you obtain 7 hours of sleep each night, then the amount of time you spend in deep sleep each night ranges from around 55 to 97 minutes. The quantity of deep sleep that a person gets is, to some part, self-regulated by the body. What is restful sleep vs light sleep? It's easiest to wake up during the stage of sleep known as non-REM or NREM sleep, which is also called light sleep. It takes place between stages 1 and 2. It may not seem like a very crucial phase of our sleep cycle, but light sleep is a necessary component for us to experience the benefits of a rejuvenating and peaceful night's sleep. How much of a night's sleep should be spent actually relaxing? According to the collected data, users of SleepWatch obtain an estimated 7 to 8 hours of total sleep time each day, while the average percentage of restful sleep for those users who utilize the default sleep detection sensitivity level of SleepWatch is 65%. Why isn't my sleep helping me feel rested? The quality of your sleep can be negatively impacted by bad sleeping habits, such as having an erratic sleep pattern or ingesting an excessive amount of caffeine or alcohol. A study conducted on nursing students found that smoking and drinking coffee on a regular basis were two of the most significant factors connected with having a poor quality of sleep. What disrupts a night of peaceful sleep? Napping for too long or too frequently can have a negative effect on sleep patterns and core sleep inertia, which is the feeling of grogginess or disorientation we experience after waking from a deep sleep. Napping for too long can cause sleep deprivation, while napping too frequently can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. I hope this video answered some of your questions about restful sleep. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Be sure to hit the bell icon.